Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel TechDo. Today is the topic is the Gemini prompt context and example of the prompt and contextual prompts. Now I'll tell this and show you step by step. This is the power prompt. The power prompt serve the classic Gemini response is specify instruction, questions, and guide. The modern through process determine natural output. It is effective prompt essential for the maximum Gemini potential by crafting clear, concise, informative prompt. Users can street for modules towards describe outcomes, better the generating creative content, provide information, summarize or solving complex. The role context. The role contextual information plays priority role of when the Gemini is response which provide model with the additional details, background knowledge, specific constraint help to understand prompt more compensative by incorporate relevant to context and the users refine out making more. The key consider effective prompt content, specify relevance, clarity, competency, experimentation, and prompt. Who was the first person to walk on the moon is the general prompt. The contextual prompt is who was the first person to walk on the moon. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Who was the first person to walk on the moon is the context form. The different is the only two. The prompt, what is the capital Australia? The contents, what is the capital of Australia and what is its population? The creative prompt. Creative prompt uses the poem, story, script, providing prompt contextual information about desired style, theme, characteristics. Content creation. The produce the informative articles, blogs, and marketing copy, providing prompts relevant to data, appropriate translation. Code generator. Assistant developers by generating code in snippet and entire program based prompts and specify requirement. Custom service. Provide automated customer support, answering questions and resolving through well-crafted prompt. This is the provide context and be clear, specify and this. Please subscribe my TechDot channel. Please like, please share, please comments. Thanking you once again, your TechDot. Our friends, issue happy new year, issue happy Pongal, everyone. Thank you for the supporting each and every viewers in this. All viewers, thank you once again. Happy New Year, Happy Pongal. Thank you. Your TechDot. Hi, welcome to the back my channel TechDot. Today I will tell the Google prompt in Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. Now is after opening this login your account is Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. Just starting is the some left hand side is the Google Get API key, creating prompt and stream real time. And hello friends, today I will explain the prompts in Google prompts. Untitled prompts is now show you what types of prompts creating this. First a simple prompts I will type it is more taken most time, that's why I will PPT made and that PPT copy this simple prompt. The prompt this one. This is the the simple prompt. Certainly the image sent appear complete back screen on their own, describing objective features. This coming. Okay, I understand the image you are providing entire black, even the crop on this, nothing visible in this image. The prompt is, you ask another question. The gallery prompt is taken, identify speaker, picker and select this prompt. Weather prompt, you select this weather prompt. Coming this way, this is the place of Zurich student. This is the prompt. You can select which gallery you want to prompt. This mathematics worksheet, severage recipe list, and which is the bigger, identify speaker, video questions, and code optimized trip ideas, allowing list searching, marketing, list of images, copyboard, confuse matters, blog writings, sentiment research, birthday shape and sentiment, planet care, find brand, recipe finder, game chapter, next tone changer, mathematical CT scanner, unit test. This, what is this? Describe the objective and what is use it. Now I will select the another prompt also. I will show you this one. Okay, now I'll add the example. This some examples I have. Then run. Create prompts. Tell me joke. Run. Tell me joke.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
This is the joke. Now another prompt I will paste. Observe this prompt.
I do not have access to the current weather information. Is there anything else I can help you with?
This is the another prompt. The another prompt is this, translating good morning to Spanish language. Spanish language. Good morning to Spanish language.
Good morning in Spanish is buenos dias. It's a common greeting used in the morning.
You observe the another prompt I will example. I am is trip to Tokyo next week. Can you suggest most visiting places? You observe this. What happened this? You observe this.
Tokyo has many interesting places to visit. Some must-see spots include the Sensoji Temple, the Tsukiji Outer Market, and the Shibuya Crossing. Would you like more suggestions?
This is that you want to prompt gallery can go to this another specially prompt is there to touring purpose trip idea to open this trip idea and type this one and run this. It's given trip idea to the any scene afternoon 3 hours time and express Central Park. It is given trip idea also. You can the first way controversial contextual prompt is I will a customer report that order is not arrived but how should be response. This is the one of the contextual prompt. What response is given Gemini? You observe this.
I understand you need to respond to a customer whose order hasn't arrived. You should start by apologizing for the inconvenience and then ask for the order details, such as the order number, the date it was placed, and the delivery address. After that, you can check the order status and provide an estimated delivery date, if available, or offer a solution, like reshipping the order or offering a refund if the delivery is not possible.
This is the contextual prompt. Question answer. The customer asking refund to the what step is processing. The another contextual prompt is
Okay, here are the general steps to process a refund. First, you need to verify the customer's purchase and eligibility for a refund based on your company's policy. Then, you'll need to process the refund through your payment system, making sure to document the refund with the order number and reason. Finally, confirm to the customer that the refund has been processed and how long it may take for them to receive it.
this is another I will tell you another contextual prompt. Right, engaging of the YouTube video about AI technology. This is the
Okay, here is an engaging introduction for a YouTube video about AI technology. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Get ready to explore how AI is rapidly changing our lives, from the smartphones in our hands to the future of industries.
This is the contextual format, contextual prompt, the contextual prompt and general test prompt and prompt. This is the prompt is there. That's why you are asking so many prompts. The you want to create a prompt also there. The creating some specified keywords or using contextual prompt, creative prompt. The creative prompt is the generating unique ideas to come to the. This is the creative prompt. Write a poem about a cat who goes to the moon. This is the creative prompt. You observe this. What answer is given the Gemini?
Okay, here is a poem about a cat who goes to the moon. A feeling of night, with fur like the coal, dreamed of a journey beyond the known hole. Not the mouse-filled wells, nor the sunbeam's warm grace, but the silvery orb in the sky's vast space. A rocket of cardboard, a worm and a purr, Lefty the kitty, a celestial blur. Past clouds like cotton, the stars all alight. He soared to the moon on a magical night. He planted small paws on the lunar dust, a flag of yarn, a whimsical gust. He chased moonbeams, with eyes shining bright, a cosmic explorer, a magical sight. Then back to his home, the day's gentle call, a cat with a secret, known to none at all. He curls on his cushion, a lunar-touched friend, dreaming of moonwalks, until the night's end.
Is given these types of prompt successfully can use step by step is utilizing how much use the so many features are there. You learn step by step. Please follow TechDude YouTube channel 48 sorry please follow the TechDude YouTube channel in the 8481. It is so many Google AI videos are coming as possible as soon. Please subscribe, please stay tuned. Bye bye. Apps and tune models, library, allowed discussion. The prompt gallery, so many topics are there. It is the identify speaker, which speaker, video and back to some recipe list and math tour and mathematics works. It is scavenger, unit test and solo geometry, trip idea, code optimize, listed search and recipe journey. What is this marketing AI? And list from image and character decoding, block writing, copyboard and confusing matrix, sentiment check, and researchability and shape sequence, plant care and dog setup and Sanath's mailbox and find brand, recipe finder, game characters, tone changer, regex wizard, next clips and weather. There's so many prompts are there. Now I will use the some prompts how to use. The create prompt is open this one. Is after opening this type it is coming I'll paste this one. This is the simple prompt. Certainly the image and appear complete back screen on there on describing objective features. This coming.